Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove page break in MS Word. So to remove page break, click on this paragraph mark symbol. Now you can see every symbol in your page. So find out page break in your page like here and move your cursor here. Now move your cursor to this end of page break line, then press delete key like this. Move in the end of this page break line your cursor, then press delete key on keyboard. So like this guys, you can remove page breaks in MS Word. Thanks for watching this video.